Subscribe to Rajesh Javalkar and press the bell icon to watch more videos.
Welcome to Javalkar's English Academy. Today we are going to learn present perfect continuous tense. वर्तमान पूर्ण निरंतर काळ. Present perfect continuous tense is used for an action which began at the some time in past and is still continuing. वर्तमान पूर्ण निरंतर काल का उपयोग उस क्रिया के लिए किया जाता है जो अतीत भूत में किसी समय शुरू हुई है, भूत में किसी समय शुरू हुई है और अभी भी वो जारी है। यानी भूतकाल में वो क्रिया शुरू हुई है और अभी भी वो जारी है, अभी वो खत्म नहीं हुई है। उसका स्ट्रक्चर और उसका देखते हैं, हम स्ट्रक्चर देखते हैं। फर्स्ट पर्सन, आई हैव बीन क्लीनिंग दिस रूम सिंस मॉर्निंग। आई हैव बीन क्लीनिंग, आई प्लस हैव plus been plus before cleaning, cleaning before verb का fourth part plus object. I have been cleaning this room since morning. सुबह से मैं ये रूम साफ कर रहा हूँ। सुबह से ये क्रिया अभी भी जारी है। We have been playing cricket for last 2 hours. We have plus been before o. We plus have plus been plus V4 plus O. We have been playing cricket for last 2 hours. पिछले दो घंटों से हम क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं। Second person, you have been driving for 8 hours continuously. You plus have plus been plus before plus object. You have been driving for 8 hours continuously. तुम पिछले 1 घंटों से कंटिन्यूअसली निरंतर ड्राइविंग कर रहे हो। You have been studying for 8 hours continuously. You plural, you का plural you have been studying for 8 hours continuously. तुम 1 घंटों से पिछले 1 घंटों से निरंतर पढ़ाई कर रहे हो। You have been plus before plus object. Third person, he has been watching TV for whole day. उसका स्ट्रक्चर he, she, it plus has been plus before plus object. He has been watching TV for whole day. वो पूरा दिन टीवी देख रहा है। She has been living in Latur since 2000. She has been living in Latur since 2000. वो 2000 साल से लातूर में रह रही है। It has been raining since morning, since Monday. Sorry, it has been raining since Monday. Structure, he, she, it has been before O. पिछले सोमवार से यहाँ लगातार बारिश हो रही है। Birds have been chirping since early morning. Birds have been chirping early morning. They have been clapping for him for 5 minutes. They have been clapping for him for 5 minutes. They plus have plus been plus before plus object. So उसका यूजेस, the present perfect continuous tense is used for an action which began at some time in the past and is still continuing. और एक उसका उपयोग है वो हम देखते हैं। तब तक आप इसे लिख लीजिए। चलो आगे हम देखते हैं यूजेस ऑफ प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। The present perfect continuous tense is used for an action which began at some time in the past and is still continuing। वर्तमान पूर्ण निरंतर काल का उपयोग उसी क्रिया के लिए किया जाता है जो भूत में किसी समय शुरू हुई है और अभी भी जारी है। Nisha has been sleeping for 5 hours. She has been she has been writing a book of grammar। This tense is also sometimes used for an action which is already finished। In such case, the continuity of activity emphasized as explanation of something। कभी कभी पूर्ण हुई घटना बताने के लिए उस घटना का स्पष्टीकरण देने के लिए किया जाता है। He is cold because he has been swimming for an hour। He is cold because he has been swimming for an hour। Why are your clothes so wet? I have been watering the plants, that's why my clothes are so wet। Here are uses of present perfect continuous tense। Okay, bye।